All right, all right, all right. So this is the street right here. Turn. Come on, camera. You can do it. And this is the house right here. Just finished raining, so of course it's glorious and sunshiny out. It's got a little eating kitchen area. Cabinets look pretty good. Seem to be painted, but nothing. You know, I would replace the countertop, of course. Just my personal opinion. The plantation shutters over here. Little pantry. Pass through. So the front here, let me just back up. This is probably a sweater closet. That's what we call it. Oh no, just kidding, garage. Let's see what we got here. Boom, turn line. Irrigation controls over here. This looks newer actually. Electrical panel. Water heater. Hey, little guy. Chamberlain garage door opener. I don't think it's one that connects to an app though. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Battery backup. Typically it says like my key. Yes, it does say my key. But I can see it because the light. Oh, there we go, my key. So you can connect it to your phone and then control it remotely from your phone, which is a nice feature to have. This, of course, is the dining room. Now, if you wanted more separation, if you weren't going to use the dining room as a dining room, you could definitely come across here with a wall, and then go straight down, maybe put a door over here on this side, maybe right in the middle of the room. There's definitely plenty of room for that. You probably want to add electrical to this wall, but on this side of the pillar, there is electrical right there. Ceilings are super high here. It's already got an electrical thing there. I'm not sure if it's secured for a ceiling fan, but more than likely it is. Looks like new carpet, or newer carpet, I should say. Beautiful trim work done around the fireplace there. Check out this triple slider. This is nice. Let's see here. So not much of a backyard patio. It's got a little something. But then on the other side of this is the street that you come down. Come on. The street that you come down to come in the neighborhood. So you just come right on down the street, and then you turn left and left again. So this is the side of the house over here. Looks like it's gonna need some paint. Kind of see the stucco cracking here. You know, maybe not immediately, but in the next year or two. Look at how open this is. You could definitely do a little something back here. This is the HVAC unit, or the AC, I should say. That looks like a newer unit to me. The sun bleaches it pretty quick down here. So to have a unit looking that bright and shiny, I would guess that it's a year or two old, if that. The roof looks in pretty good shape as well. Master bedroom's right here. It's got the plantation shutters on the door. Laundry is on the first floor. It's right outside the master. This is the half bath. It does have a tray ceiling, like an electrical right there, so you can connect possibly a ceiling fan, definitely a light fixture. Really good sized master. Okay, this is the closet for the master. Really good size, a lot of racks. This is the bathroom. A little seat, put that down, shave your legs, I know I do every day. Just a soaker tub, no jacuzzi jets or anything. Got the private commode. Hello, commode. Just a light bar up there, nothing fancy. Okay. Continue through the tour. Here we go. Beautiful door. Oh, this is nice. Gotta look down and be like, honey, bring me a grilled cheese sandwich. Again, we got the electrical up here. Now, typically those are braced for ceiling fans, but obviously without checking it out, I don't know. This door's a little loose, so I'm not gonna really move it. Just a standard type size closet. Plantation shutters on the window. Pretty good sized room overall though. So this is the other bedroom, which looks pretty much the same size, but it does have a walk-in closet. Again, the electrical up on the ceiling. So I think someone is gonna have to fight over who gets the bigger closet. And bathroom here, just a single sink, brown toilet. Pretty basic looking shower. This is real tile though, not plastic. You know, some of the surrounds they make nowadays, it's hard to tell if it's, that's the floor. It's hard to tell if it's plastic or tile. This is probably the HVAC system. No, wow, wrong again. There's that. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go close up those doors. I'll show you this pretty living room again. Okay, so here's the house. And I'm gonna show you some of the neighborhood here. This is the True Game truck that I'm behind currently. We just passed, it's got a communal mailbox. I think we're coming up to like the clubhouse up here on the left. So it's got a little playground. Hold on. Let me jump out. So we got a good sized pool. This is just like a little water feature over here. We've got a couple of tables. That's nice. And communal parking lot, like if you didn't live right down the street there, then maybe drive down here, park. Let's continue the drive portion of this tour. Okay, here we go. Ooh, sorry. Okay, so that's to the left. We came